you had a blessed month of Ramadan, and I know this Eid is gonna be a little bit different for all of us. Most of us are stuck at home and our masjids are closed, so they're not what we're used to. I'm used to going to the masjid for prayer, seeing my friends, having some delicious food at our potluck, and then going out into St. Louis and exploring with my brother. But this one's gonna be a bit different. We're gonna be stuck at home, but that's okay because I'm determined to make this a wonderful Eid. It's gonna be one that we're gonna remember, and it's gonna be great. We put up a bunch of decorations last night. Today I'm going to pray on my own and then listen to the live stream from a local masjid. I put on this dress that I bought from Jordan last time I was there. I was gonna wear it to the masjid, and I'm not going to the masjid, but I'm still wearing it for today because I just love it so much. I have nowhere to go, but I thought it'd be fun to put it on. So I have my hijab on because I'm about to go pray. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. I'm gonna make some delicious traditional food. This is my Eid feast. We have baglawa. These have pistachios and these have walnuts. This is haliva with goat cheese because I didn't have the Circassian cheese. This is haliva with potatoes. I am so incredibly surprised because I thought for sure I was gonna fail, but the first bite I took, I was on the phone with my mom and I'm like, this is amazing. I can't believe it actually worked, but it worked and it's super good. I had my brother try just to make sure it wasn't crazy and he was like, that's actually really good. So I'm so excited that they turned out and that I know how to make them now because I can't have them in the United States. I can't find them anywhere. So I'm so pumped that I can make them myself now. Here they are. As thrilled as I am about the haliva, I think the thing I was looking forward to the most today was my cheese plate. I don't know why, but I'm like completely obsessed with the idea of a cheese plate. I feel like Marshall in How I Met Your Mother right now.
Seriously, don't sleep on the Gouda.
And that's lobster ravioli in a black truffle oil. Ooh.
Tick-tock goes the Gouda clock.
I got 3 different types of cheeses. I got some strawberries, some grapes, some pickles, olives, 2 different types of olives. We have 5 different types of crackers, and I found beef salami. It's the simple things that make me excited. For this Eid, our parents gave us the greatest present of all time. It's an arcade basketball hoop. Single greatest gift I think I've ever received. I love it so much. Thank you, Mom and Dad. This is fantastic. Next thing I want is to try to build a ball pit and then turn this entire room into just kind of like a game room. That's the dream. That's where we're headed. So I hope you have a wonderful day as well. If you have people living with you that you can celebrate with, or if you don't, maybe you can FaceTime somebody or Skype someone, you know, watch some videos, I know there's a lot of live streams from masjids out there, so hopefully you can enjoy this special day.
Thank you.